Here are the answers for the day 2 warm-up. Question A. Find the mass of 1 mole of pure silver. This question is asking for the molar mass of silver. How many grams does 1 mole of silver weigh? This is the number given on the periodic table. So you find Ag, which is atomic number 47, in the box on the periodic table. The mass is 107.8682. The label for molar mass is grams. Earlier in the year, you had a similar question. It asked, what is the mass of a single atom of silver? And you would look up silver and you would say 107.8682 AMUs. Now we're being asked, what is the mass of 1 mole of silver atoms? It's still the same amount, but now the label is grams. Question B. What is the molar mass of nitrogen gas? Remember that nitrogen gas is diatomic. This means that the formula for nitrogen gas is N2, not a single N. To get this answer, you look up the molar mass of nitrogen. Nitrogen is atomic number 7, and the mass on the periodic table is 14.007 grams. And then multiply by 2. The result is 28.014 grams. If 1 mole of nitrogen atoms has a mass of 14.007 grams, then 1 mole of N2 would have twice as much mass because there's twice as many nitrogen atoms. Question C, what is the molar mass of ethane, C2H6? Well, we can use the periodic table to find the molar mass of a single carbon, and for a single hydrogen, let's just use some multiplication and those subscripts to get the molar mass of the entire compound. Carbon is atomic number 6, and the mass is 12.011. Multiply that by 2. Now let's add on the mass contributed from the hydrogen. Hydrogen is 1.008, and multiply that by 6. The result is 30.07 grams. All 3 of these questions asked us for the molar mass, or it might have said, what is the mass of 1 mole? Same thing. Notice the label every time is in grams. The technique was to use the periodic table. If it was a single element like silver, we just use the number that's on the periodic table. If it's a compound like N2 or C2H6, then we use the masses of each element on the periodic table and multiply by the appropriate subscripts.